Okay, I know this is the same box, but they might have, different cards, different results. It's such a good deal because it's got the discount sticker on it, so it's like it's at a lower price than it usually would be. I think it's usually like $25 for one of these, and I only had to pay $15 due to the discount thing. So that's why I buy these, even though I've already opened a box like this. But the packs are they're different. At least I think they are. And I always like getting my cards on a discount if I can. Jeez, I make it really hard to basically get into this. Here's that again. And this. Now we're gonna open these and see what we get this time. So I remember I got quite a few. I think it was like Charmanders and Bulbasaurs and Squirtles in the last pack or whatever it was. So let's see. Because it's like I don't think they would put the. But I could be wrong. Oh wow! A Radiant Venusaur. I think this is my third Radiant I've gotten. They're like really rare to get, so to get that, that's pretty crazy. Another Articuno. If I got two shiny Radiants in one box, that's where I have to go like, wow, that's never happened. For me, anyways. It's him. The Slack King. I remember when I played Pokemon Ruby and Sapphire, not the Omega, but I mean the original. I remember seeing its unevolved form in that one forest, and I remember catching it because I just like how he looked, and then like when he evolved, oh boy, was he was a powerhouse. He got me through a lot of the game. Except I didn't like his one ability where he, for one turn, he had to basically, he couldn't do anything. I mean, there was ways to basically go around that, like using Focus Blast or Focus Punch or something like that, but I got another one of these. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching the video. That was actually a pretty good pull of cards. Alright, please subscribe, and see you until next time.